Alright, today's video we got a new Tucson here. Screen's black. Nothing's coming up. You hear it makes noise. So there's something going on with the picture. Let's see. It is vehicle's on. Sometimes we can get a flicker. Nope. So I'm going to take space off and check the connection in the back, because sometimes there's a loose connection. So before we take this off and check it, move some of this stuff out of the center console here. Get it out of the way. This bottom part here, you see it goes along here, all across. I'm going to try to set the camera up to watch, but it kind of slides. It's in there pretty good, but it should pop out. Let's try to see what I can do to get you in the action. There we go. Shift her out of the way. What am I stuck on? The wire. Did not want to. Oh, look, the screen's back. So I still want to, so you can see the screen's back. But I still want to take this off and check the pin connection and stuff and make sure that it's tight, so if you don't, it could just go back out again. We're gonna pop these side pieces off, hopefully without breaking it. There we go. So it's just not the shiny black on here, but duller black or whatever color yours can be, because there are screws holding this radio in up here. Here we go. Alright, so we got some screw here. Maybe there's not one on the bottom, maybe it's just on the top here. On both sides. Screw. I thought I was recording moving it. But we got a screw on the side, on the top here, and then on each side of the bottom, so there's 4. So after you get those 4, this should come out real easy. So here's the back. What we want to do is make sure all these connections are good. So we are getting a screen, so it was a loose connection back there. Everything seems to be fine now. Double check those pins. I set the camera down. It's going to be easier without having to what we're doing with this camera and stuff. I'm going to probably take the whole unit out, but it's most likely the cause. Sometimes you can get it to work just by hitting the side, and if that's the case, well then you do have a loose pin connection back there that you're going to want to tighten up. Try wiggling some other connections, see if I can't get it to go out again. Oh wait, which one did I wiggle? So I got it. All right, so what I came up with is it is this connection here. Something's going on with that, because that's what I'm wiggling. That is what I'm wiggling, and that is when I'm getting the screen to flicker. So that's the wire I'm wiggling. So that's what I'm going to look into.
No, this screwdriver's too big yet.
It's not the size, it's how you use it.
In this case, it's the size. This isn't it. It's through the front. So what we'll do instead is we can adjust the outside by rotating the connector and pushing down on these. Little tabs. Just making it a tighter fit. And plug it back in. Let's try that. Okay, grab your screen. Turn it on.
Yahtzee.
When you were wiggling it before.
I got the wiggle test in there after we pinched down that coaxial cable for the ground part, not making good contact. So we wanted to make that have better contact. That's basically what's going on. So we did the test, wiggle, screen's getting there. Fancy. Unless when you're done, remember to wipe your fingerprints off everything. Leave no trace. But I hope this helps for a black screen in your Tucson. Try hitting the side, the top, and otherwise removing this and putting it back in is like taking it out but backwards. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. And See you on another one when I find something.